Let's say we're asked to change the ratio 4 to 5 into the form 1 to n as well as m to 1. This type of question is an absolute must-know when studying ratios. And it's a very common exam question. To solve it, let me start by moving the question to the side, like so. We'll start with the first question, in which we need to rewrite the ratio 4 to 5 in the form 1 to n. The trick for rewriting 4 to 5 as 1 to n is to ask ourselves, what do we have to multiply or divide 4 by to get to 1? And it doesn't take us too long to see that to get from 4 to 1, we need to divide 4 by 4. And so to rewrite 4 to 5 as 1 to n, we're going to divide both sides of this ratio by 4. In other words, we also have to divide 5 by 4. Doing so leads to the following. We have 4 divided by 4, which equals to 1. So we have 1, 2, 5 divided by 4, which you can check is 1.25. And that's the answer. We've just rewritten the ratio 4 to 5 as 1 to 1.25. Let's look at the second question. In this case, we need to rewrite the ratio 4 to 5 as m to 1. The approach is very similar. Remember, for the first question, we looked into how to get from 4 to 1. Well, in this question, we need to find how to get from 5 to 1. And so before even solving this, we can already highlight the fact that the trick in this type of question is to focus on the side of the ratio with a 1. Indeed, in the first example, we looked into how to get from 4 to 1, and now in this example, we're looking into how to get from 5 to 1. Now, to get from 5 to 1, we need to divide 5 by 5. We therefore have to do the same thing on the other side of the ratio. So we need to divide 4 by 5. And in doing so, you can check, but 4 divided by 5 is equal to 0.8. And on the right-hand side of this ratio, we have 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. So 4 to 5 can also be written as 0.8 to 1. And that's the final answer.